I know we have the Culinary Olympics every 4 years in Germany. Is it similar or is it different? It seems like a lot more pressure for one individual and your commis in that box, as you call it, in front of a lot of people versus a team.
I think the interesting thing about Bocuse versus any other competition that I know is it's just two guys. It's one chef and what they call a commis, and they have to be 22 or younger. Most people don't know that. There's generally at least a 10-year age gap between the chef.
Oof, yeah.
Is entertaining and challenging at the same time. I think the difference between, let's say, the IKA Olympics in Germany is, you see these guys come back from those and like, oh, we won 8 gold medals, 3 silver medals, 2 bronze. You're like, how many events are there over there? Bocuse is it's one day. You get one shot at it. It's 5.5 hours. You put up 2 dishes. One is generally a plated item and the other one's on a sort of grandiose platter that you have to design. I think the pressure of that is that if I don't do well in one event in the Olympics, I can go and do another one. And everybody wants to win the overall thing. But for this, there's 3 guys standing on that podium or girls, and that's it. Nobody wants to miss out on that. This is always a thing that I kind of come back to is kind of sense of gratitude on my side is watching other teams, other chefs put in the same effort, and there's no guarantees. For us to come away twice from that competition with the success that we did, it was pretty extraordinary and something that we certainly don't take for granted. We used to joke about it in our training. One way that we found to just alleviate the pressure, the secret thoughts of like, we only get one shot at this, what if we screw it up? Just joking, hey chef, you only get one shot at this, are you gonna do it right? You have to focus on what you can control, do everything you can to build your confidence for that day. Honestly, that day when we went in, we were just excited to show the world what we had done, and who knows what was going to happen after that.